Okay, welcome class. Today we are going to look at the computer memory. Okay, now we begin with the definition of the term computer memory. And for definition, computer memory is the storage space in the computer where data is to be processed and instructions required for processing are stored. So this definitely means that it's the storage place where this data to be processed and instructions are required are stored. We'll go now and look at the types of computer memory. There are various types of computer memory. There are actually three: the cache memory, the primary memory, and the secondary memory. So we begin with cache memory. On this one, the cache memory is a very high speed semiconductor memory which can speed up the CPU, and more, it acts as a buffer between the CPU and the main memory. So in a nutshell, what we mean is that this cache memory now is the one that makes the CPU to do its functions faster. It makes it to fasten its instruction to can do its operations very quickly. And the image there below shows an image of our cache memory that we talked about. The next type of memory is what we call primary memory. And primary memory is also known as the main memory. This main memory used to hold only those data and instructions on which the computer is currently working on. What does that mean? It means that this memory, the primary memory, used to own the data that is working on. That means that it owns data that is volatile in nature. This means that data is lost in case power is switched off. So data is stored temporarily, but when you compare, it's faster than the secondary memory. And for more inference, a computer cannot run without the primary memory because it will not have where to fetch instructions from. And this is the example. The image there is an example of a RAM, that's random access memory. Remember, there are two types of primary memory. That's the random access memory and the read-only memory. But the image there is for the random access memory. The last type of memory that I'm going to look at is what we refer to as the secondary memory. And the second memory, these are used for storing data information permanently. And the CPU accesses this data using the input-output routines. We'll look at it in the next class. And these types of memory, they are also known as the backup memory because they store data permanently. That they are non-volatile in nature. When you switch off the memory, when you switch off the machine, the data is not lost. It's stored in those devices. It's used to store data. They may run without a secondary memory. The computer can run without a secondary memory. Secondary memory is not so necessary for a computer, but it can run without this of the secondary memory. That's the head of our lesson. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.